Tini, first ball. And it's a good one first up. He's away. And he's timed that superbly. That's away. That's his zone. Loves it on the offside. 7-2. That's over the top. Couple of bounces for. It's a big. Straight again. 4 again. That is through. And that is 4. Straying leg side and another boundary. Tini is a little bit all over the show. All again. That's away on the leg side. Shorter boundary again, and that's another boundary. So 3.
Oh, that's a good shot. He's hit that very hard indeed. Short delivery again and pulled away. This is a fast outfield. Well, straight down the ground, and that one will go for 4 as well. Oh, he's hit that in the air through the offside field. And there we go again. The sweeper would have cut that one off, and that also is going. That's the wrong one, outside that off stump. That's not the place to bowl. Oh, and he's hit that magnificently. That's gone way up into the sub.
Slightly leg side, and there's no protection down there. That's away. That's where Ponting wants them, and that's gone for 4. Edged wide.
And he's put that one away too. Oh! And he's flipped that one over the top too. Again, a leg side boundary. More runs. 4. There's the attempted quicker one, and Ponting won't. Oh, and that was premeditated. Smashed away. Oh, he's gambled. I think he's picked that slower ball. It's gone again. That's where you can't bowl. That's 3 of them. That's much better. This is a bit more luck involved in this one. He's spliced it up. And that one he's hit in the air. And again.
Oh, he's got hold of that one, and one bounce. Oh, that's down the ground. It's going to go all the way. Don't worry. He's incredible. Katic is in the air. This is good. This is out. Yes, caught it. Oh, Ponting is having a go, and that's gone through the field as well. Boy, this is lightning. This out. No, that's 4. It's got through the field. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. Well, here's a batsman.
Bang! Goodness me, that is huge. That has gone out of the ground. Advancing, Calistorm coming, and that is a great shot. Down the track this time and into the crowd. That is a great shot this time, and again it's been once one ending. What a remarkable player. That's his 20th 100 all over the place. Advancing, and 4 more. Loves driving through that region, 3 extra cover, and he's got himself 4. Now that's gone away for cries of catch it. He wants 2. He's going to get 2 more than 2. 6.
There'll be a few that reckon. Oh, there we go again. Oh, he's hit that one, and it's gone as flat as a tack. Oh, that's 6. That's straight. That's going straight over the top of the side screen. Oh, that's 6 as well. He's worked that away on the onside. Oh, not like that. That's 6 as well. That's gone way over the top of mid-on. There's a full toss, and it's in the air. This will be out caught. Yes, it like. Well, it's a full toss. It's going over the top. Will it go the whole way? Yes, it 55. Flays that one through the offside again. There you go, another no ball. Well, Simons is not going to waste. Oh, that's it. Take that. Another no ball. Oh, and that one's disappeared as well. Oh, he's hit that way over the top as well. And he's got him. No, he's got him. Oh, that's an inside edge along the ground for 4. One-handed. There's another no ball. This is getting at it. Brett Lee has smashed it away down towards square leg. Kemp hovers down there, but there's the performance of Australia. A 150
screaming in. Chopped it on. Lost a wicket. Graham Smith. If they get off, there might be a chance. That's good. That's 4. Might be another boundary. Here's another boundary back. Inside edge. Not far away from the stumps. Down the track and just over the top of Michael Clark, and that's 4. Gone again. And 4 more back-to-back boundary. Play shots. It's a good shot from Harshal Gibs. He's got that away.
Off the pad, I think off the pad and down to 25. Smith gets it away. That'll go to the boundary for 4 as well. Oh, that's well played. That's beautifully played. Steered to the boundary for... Well played. That's the area he loves. He's got it away. That's 4. Take that. Short. Oh, well played. That's 4. Scored at 9 and over. Oh, good shot. He's hit that one over the top. Bouncing away down to the back. Straight down the ground, and it's beaten him. It's 4.
Inside edge, 4 runs. Runs. Thin edge. Chases on. The ball is brilliant. Muscled. Well played. 4 runs. Very good. To full toss. He's edged it and he's got himself another boundary. 4 runs, beautifully played. That is a very good... It's a good shot. 1 bounce, 4. And it's a boundary off the first ball. He's hit that beautifully and that's gone. A lot.
There he goes again. And he's too big a man. And after shots like that, there certainly will be. Out. Now is that the turning point? In the air and out the park. There he goes. The power play got him up. I'm going to go over the top. There it is.
And strike rate. Isn't it good? There we go, Gibbs again. He's fancying the straight bound.
There he goes again. More runs.
In.
Like that. More runs.
Yes.
There he goes again. He's selected his end. There we go again. That's the arrow he said he was going for. And that's down to 3rd man. That's 4 more.
In the air, and he's dropped it. He's dropped it. Oh, what a shot. What a shot. Oh, good shot. Very good shot. He gave him a bit of room there. Take that. To run away. There he goes. Hits the way on the onside. Will it beat the field? Yes, it has. That's 4 as well. Martin on 140. Oh, he's hit that one beautifully. 1 bounce, I think. And again, oh, that's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Oh, dear. Oh, boy. What a shot. Oh, he's hit that. It's in the air. This is going to be caught. Will it be caught? Yes, he's gone. That's in the air, and there's a fieldsman down there, but it's gone all the way. Simon's to him again, and again. Oh, that's a bigger six. That was a rank full toss.
A couple of tailenders agreed that.
In the air, and that's it. Well, I'm afraid.
Squeezed
Again,
away.
he squeezed it away. Sorry, Michael. We're all getting excited.
A little bit toey. Great catch. Brilliant catch.
It's in the air, and it's going to go to the boundary for 4. They needed that desperately. Continuing. In the air, out. Got him. Big wicket. Straight down the ground. That's going for 6. That's gone. Yes. Oh, he's hit that one magnificently. What? Over the top. Just inches for 4. Straight down the ground. What a shot. All the way into the crowd. Yeah, no, South Africa got this, I reckon. Oh, he's got him. He's got him. Perhaps that's not the... Sweep shot. 4. Great shot. Wonderful shot. Lewis. Smashed away to mid-wicket. It's going to go for 4. Yes, it's hit the boundary. Works it away on the onside. It's another 4. Bracken's chasing. He won't get... He's hit it. He's hit it like a rocket. What a shot. Bracken. Through the offside for a single. It's in the air. This has got to be out surely. No, it's going to be short. Oh, it's a great catch. Right in the block hole. They get a single. Right in the block hole, and one's Hall on strike in the block hole. Straight to Ponting. Can't quite round the wicket from Bracken. Right off the middle of the bat. They'll only get a single. 7 to get of 6 balls. 4. He's hit it. Oh, it's hit Brett Lee on the shin. Just a single. Oh, it's a great shot. He's got it away for 4. Over the top of long on, down to the boundary for 4. Now South Africa should definitely win. Oh, he's had a go. He's out. Oh, he's out. That's the last thing they wanted. Oh, he's got a single. He's got it to third man. Right, now then. They need 1 of 2 balls. South Africa cannot lose. They have tied the match right here. Now it's a question of winning it. Yeah, well, he doesn't want to go and do anything silly. I mean, all he needs is a single here. They don't want to run out. Straight down the ground. What a victory. That is a sensational game of cricket. And it is a superb victory. Well, I've been around the world watching this game.